Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to repair your iPhone home button hard pressing problem with the help of water. It's very easy method, just you're gonna have to put some water in your home button. Look, I'm pressing it hard, it doesn't work, and if you press it very hard it still doesn't work. It's the same as this same set. Here I'm pressing it hard, it doesn't working. Very hard. Here it comes. So here you go. Here I take some water and put it here. As you can see, I put some water here, then press it and keep my finger spinning until the water goes inside. Again, use only 1 drop of water, not more. If it doesn't work, then use 2 drops of water. That's sure gonna work. Take a piece of cloth and remove the water. That's it, you're done. Just press it simply now and it works.